ਸੋ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਪਿਛਲੇ ਕੁਝ ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਥ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਪੂਜਾ ਰੂਪਲ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਆਥਰ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜੀਣਾ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ, ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਆਰਟ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਪੈਸ਼ਨ, ਪਰਸੀਵਰੈਂਸ ਅਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੇਅਰ, ਕਿ ਜੀਵਨ ਬੜਾ ਸੁਖਾਲਾ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੀ ਸਕਨੇ ਹਾਂ, ਪਰ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਾਈਂਡਸੈਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੇਂਜ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ। ਨਾ ਮੁਮਕਿਨ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮੁਮਕਿਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੋਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਤਹੀਆ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਹਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ। ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਹੈ, ਆਓ ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਪੂਜਾ ਰੂਪਲ ਨਾਲ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ। So Pooja ji, today we would like to talk about many times in our lives situations come, circumstances are such that things seem to be impossible. Now during that time also you have been talking about positivity, you have been talking about positive thoughts and changing your thinking and changing your perspective. How can, when it seems that things are impossible to happen, how can then also you can make that impossible into possible?
It starts with the belief. It starts again, as Gandhi says, be the change you want to see, right? So if I want to change anything outside of me, I have to change within first. So when I start believing in whatever it is that I'm going after, so for example, if I want to be the CEO of a multinational company, right, and it seems impossible, I'm just maybe a branch manager, so that seems like a really a branch manager maybe of a small organization, so it seems really huge and impossible. So but the moment I think of it as huge and impossible, the thought comes into my head and I kind of discard it, right? Because I think it's never going to happen. But the moment I pause and I say, why can it not happen? I have the knowledge,
Right.
I have the skills, I have the experience. I may have not had the right opportunity so far, but I have all the ingredients it takes to get there. Why can I not believe in myself?
Right.
So the moment I pause onto that thought and allow myself to believe that it can be,
Right.
and keep growing that belief, that's when I'll start looking in that direction,
Right.
and even taking action, because still I'm refusing to think about it and believe it, or believing it and discarding it the moment it comes up.
Right.
I'm not going to take any action.
Now no doubt belief is a key ingredient, but again just by thinking, how do you think that something can be achieved? How can that impossible be converted into possible when no action is being taken?
Yes, and belief is the starting point. So when I have the belief, then I'm going to start thinking about what actions I'm going to take. So in the same example, I want to be CEO without sending my resume, without contacting the multinational company that I am targeting. There is no way that I'm going to become CEO.
Right.
So I have to start taking action. But the belief is what enables that action. Till there is disbelief, even if I take action, it's going to be half-hearted. It's not going to get me very far.
Okay.
Right? So action, practical action is definitely essential.
Right. What about skill and knowledge?
I may have the skill and knowledge, right? But if I don't have the belief, that skill and knowledge won't take me very far,
Right.
But if I have the belief, and even then, if I'm lacking in the skill and the knowledge, there is still some brushing up I need to do.
Right.
I have the inner fortitude, the strength, the positive energy to go and learn whatever more it is that I need, because I'm so convinced that I can do this job. It's just a question of learning a little more, right? So the skills and attitude and the knowledge
Right.
is of no use without having that belief. And I shouldn't say skills, attitude and knowledge. Skills and knowledge
Right.
are not of much use without the belief.
From the Eastern culture, from where we come, where it is said that it is destined, everything what is to happen will happen. So how does this thinking of making the impossible possible fit in?
I love that question. I think that to a large extent, we make our own destinies.
Okay.
We cannot control everything,
Right.
But we make choices every single day. So if I'm making a choice, I have 2 job offers.
Right.
I'm accepting a particular job offer. I have moved my destiny in a particular direction through that choice I've made.
Right.
Things may have been totally different if I had accepted another job offer. Maybe if it was in a different city, things would have been very, very different. So through the choices that we make, we actually build our destiny day by day.
If that choice proves to be good, then of course you are happy. But if that choice doesn't go through, then you are sad. You don't. Then you start blaming. So here again, there's a contradiction, because you said you create your own destiny, but whatever was to happen does happen. That's what our scriptures, our religious teachers are. That's the belief what we believe in. So here, don't you think there's a contradiction as to you are doing your best, but you do not know the results? So when we say we are able, by changing our belief, we are able to turn that impossible into possible, isn't it a contradiction?
I think that when we have a belief, we work towards it, we take actions,
Right.
and we may not always succeed.
Right.
Right? So we find out we make a mistake, and that does happen. We're humans, not every
Right.
choice we make, we don't have a crystal ball which tells us by making this choice I will actually get to my destination.
Right.
But the crux of the matter is that the faith in myself, right?
Right.
I made the wrong choice. I can look at it as a learning, or I can curse myself. That was such a terrible thing, and again go down that path, or say
Right.
this was a learning. I learned something. I'm grateful for the learning,
Right.
and I know what not to do the next time.
Right.
Right?
So treat it as a learning step and then move forward.
Yes.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ, ਇਟ ਵਾਸ ਅ ਪਲੇਜ਼ਰ ਟਾਕਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਯੂ। ਥੈਂਕ
Thank
ਯੂ।
you.
ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ, ਪੂਜਾ ਰੂਪਲ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਾਈ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੰਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਨੂੰ, ਨਾਮੁਮਕਿਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੁਮਕਿਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਬਦੀਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਉਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬਿਲੀਫ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਇਨਗਰੀਡੀਅੰਟ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੜੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ, ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ। ਸਿਰਫ ਵਿਚਾਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਪੁਲਾਓ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾਉਣੇ, ਖਿਆਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਨੀ ਪਏਗੀ। ਸਕਿੱਲ, ਨੌਲੇਜ, ਇਹ ਬਾਕੀ ਦੇ ਸਟੈਪਸ ਨੇ, ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੋਇਸਿਸ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ, ਫਿਰ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਹੋਏ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਐਕਸੈਪਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਲੇਕਿਨ ਬਿਲੀਫ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਗਲਤ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਤਦ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ ਕਿ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਲਰਨਿੰਗ ਸਟੈਪ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਸਮਝੋ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਨ ਨਾ ਹਾਰ ਦਿਓ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹ ਗਲਤੀ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ। ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਮ ਤੌਰ 'ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ, ਐਡੀਸਨ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਐਡੀਸਨ ਨੇ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਹੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬਲਬ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਜਾਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਫੇਲ ਹੋਇਆ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ, ਉਸਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ 1000 ਵਾਰ ਕੋਲ ਪਹੁੰਚਿਆ, ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਮੰਜ਼ਿਲ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਣ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਫਲਸਰੂਪ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਦਾ ਆਨੰਦ ਮਾਣ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ।